Users of the Blackboard virtual learning environment are able to simply share content from their Planet eStream system using the mashup within Blackboard. So to do that, I can select a course and then select my page on that course. I can then very simply build content and select Planet eStream v6 from the list of available mashups. I'm then given two options, so I can upload new content to eStream via Blackboard. So if you're comfortable using the Blackboard platform already, then you can upload any new content to your eStream site via Blackboard. I'm also able to search for content using the keyword search. So if we take a look at the upload option first, I can select upload and select files. I can then search my local system for a relevant video, press open, fill in the details as usual, and then hit confirm. This content will then be uploaded to my Planet eStream site and converted. It will then be embedded into my Blackboard page. While the conversion process is happening, a coming soon placeholder will be displayed. If I go back to build content and select the mashup tool again, I also have the ability to search for content that lives already on my Planet eStream site. So if I do a search for that, I will see all relevant results to my search. I can then select to embed the entire video by picking the title. On the right hand side here, I can preview the content by pressing play. I can also show any relevant chapters. So if the particular video has any chapter points on there, I can embed just the chapter. So I can create concise parts of the content which I can then share with Blackboard, and I can also show any quizzes that I've created. So it's a very popular way to flip the classroom. A quiz is created on a relevant video within Planet eStream. It can then be embedded onto the Blackboard platform and students can take the quiz within Blackboard. So I can select the item, preview by clicking play. I can then add to Blackboard as just a video player, or I can add with details and it will provide all the additional details that I've got. And I can see that back then as just a standard video player. The plugin will also work with the assessment tools within Blackboard, which will allow me to set assignments that my students can then upload content to eStream and submit video submissions.